YAMAHA XJR1300 Best Motorcycle Review. Tubular steel cradle. The YAMAHA XJR1300 is a proper motorcycle, with twin shocks, air cooling, a beefy braced swingarm and a colossal motor. And it's especially lovely in the SP's Yamaha Speed block colors complete with Öhlins shocks, just the sort of thing that sunny Sundays were made for. A motorcycle to make you feel good. Ride quality and brakes. It's best to remember that the Yamaha XJR1300 is a motorcycle built for cruising, not hustling. Around town it's lovely, easy to steer and easy to maneuver at slow speeds. Roads aren't a problem until speeds transcend the national speed limit, and then a floaty, weavy bounciness reminds you to slow down again. The XR1 Superbike brakes are top drawer, though. Engine. The Yamaha XJR1300's DOHC air-cooled motor started its life pushing around the sporty touring-type thing that was the 1984 FJ1100. Over 2 decades later it's still making bags of thrust, still runs nice and smoothly, and still posts a 0 to 60 time that's effortlessly faster than a Porsche Turbo. Not bad, eh? For 2007 it finally gained Euro 3 satisfying fuel injection plus a catalyzer exhaust without any noticeable change in performance. Reliability and build quality. The Yamaha XJR1300's build quality is broadly good, providing you avoid riding through winter, when the salt will spoil your chrome, nibble on you fork legs, bugger up your brakes and cause the mild steel section of the exhaust to rot. Value versus rivals. The XJR1300 represents enormous value for money. However, it's not the best in its class. That honor goes to Honda's CB1300. Although the CB costs more, it handles better. Bridging the gap between the two is Kawasaki's ZRX1200, which is also conspicuously faster, boasting a genuine 150 mph top speed. Buy the Yamaha, but only if the deal's right. Equipment. With the Yamaha XJR1300 you get a Sentry stand, analog clocks in. That's about it, despite the 2007 updates. The older SP gets Öhlins shocks, but you can't adjust them, so it's all a bit pointless. The factory sells crash bungs, a hugger and luggage.